In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at two root vegetables, turnips and rutabagas. They're both commonly found at the market in the fall and into the winter. Turnips and rutabagas look somewhat similar, but turnips are white on the bottom, mostly purple on the top, and the flesh inside is white. Rutabagas also have a purple top, but the bottom of a rutabaga is usually more of a yellow color, and so is the flesh inside. If you're not going to use them right away, turnips and rutabagas are both hardy enough to be stored for a long time. Just wrap them in a moist towel and place them in a plastic bag. Then put the bag in the crisper drawer in your fridge. They can stay like this for as long as 2 months. When it's time to use turnips or rutabagas, start by giving them a wash and then peel them. Turnips and rutabagas can both be used in similar ways. For example, they can both be cut into cubes and added to a variety of soups. Just like with potatoes, turnips and rutabagas can be cut into small pieces, then boiled, and then mashed. This makes a delicious side dish. And like many vegetables, turnips and rutabagas can be cut into a variety of shapes, placed on a sheet pan with some olive oil and whatever spices you might like, and roasted. There are many ways to enjoy turnips and rutabagas, so feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.